Altbeku, the smoke-free barbecue, begins a delightful grilling experience. We offer you a solution where you can fully enjoy the pleasure of grilling without disturbing your neighbors or leaving your surroundings in smoke. We offer a solution where you can barbecue in peace. Altbeku Smoke-Free Barbecue. The special design filters of Altbeku Smoke-Free Barbecue effectively collect the smoke in the cooking area and eliminate smoke and odor by passing it through advanced technology filters, providing clean air. You can enjoy a pleasant time with your family and friends. Altbeku requires no installation or renovation. You can start using it immediately by plugging it into a 220-volt outlet. With its silent operation feature and lighting system, you can enjoy delightful barbecue parties at any time of the day. With your Altbeku, you can joyfully cook kebabs, hamburgers, meatballs, chicken, potatoes, doner, and much more. Enjoy the pleasure of barbecuing with Altbeku, adding more joy to your experience.